Are you struggling to stick to your budget and save money? The best financial budgeting apps can really help you take control of your spending and to reach your goals, okay? So disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, I know it can be tough to manage your money, okay? Especially when you're trying to save for something special or avoid overspending, okay? But don't worry, I got the best budget apps that are gonna make managing your money a lot easier, okay? So listen, step one, tracking your spending apps like Mint or PocketGuard are gonna help you track your spending by connecting to your bank accounts, okay? They show where your money is going so that you can cut back and save even more, okay? Step two, creating a budget, okay? You need to set up a budget, like, set up you need to set up a budget like apps like You Need a Budget, okay? YNAB, that's what the app is called. And GoodBudget are perfect, okay? That's another one, GoodBudget. These apps let you plan your spending for things like groceries, bills, fun activities. They help you stay on track every month, okay? Step three, saving money. If you want to save money without thinking about it, apps like Capital with a Q and Simple, that's another one, let you automatically save by rounding up your purchases or setting savings goals, okay? So listen, take control of your money today. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe if you like. I love you.